Lesson number 4, Inserting Objects in Word. Today in this chapter, that is Inserting Object in Word, we will do revision of this chapter. First of all, we will revise question answer of this chapter. Question number 1. What is the use of clip art feature? Answer is, clip art is a collection of pictures in MS Word. The clip art feature is used to add pictures and apply various styles to make them attractive. Second question is, how can you resize and stretch a picture? You have to mention how can you resize a picture and how can you stretch a picture. Answer is, we can resize a picture by clicking and dragging any of the 4 small circles that appear at the corner of the picture. When we drag the small circles which appear at the corner of picture, this will resize the picture, and we can stretch a picture by clicking and dragging any of the 4 small squares that appear at the center of each side of the picture. And when we want to stretch the picture, we have to click and drag the circles, which are 4 circles which are present or which appear at the center of the picture. In this way, we can resize and stretch a picture. Now, next question is, which feature of MS Word would you use if you want to remove some parts of a picture? If you want to remove, or if you don't want to show some part of the picture, which feature would be used? So the answer is crop feature. Crop feature is used if we want to remove some parts of a picture. After this, our next question is, what is the use of word art feature? The word art feature is used to give special effects to the text in Word file. In Word file, it gives the special effect to the text. Last question is, which keys can you use to delete a word art? Answer is, to delete a word art, click on the border of the word art. The dashed line changes to a solid line. Now press the delete key to delete the word art. These are the question answer which you have to revise. After this, we will do MCQs or tick the correct answer. First one is, the collection of picture in MS Word is called A. Word art, B. clip art, C. art. It is word art. So we have to put a tick mark on. It is clip art. We have to put a tick mark on clip art. The collection of picture in MS Word is called clip art. Second, the part of a picture that you do not want to show in a file can be removed using the A. crop tool, B. resize tool, C. insert tool. Correct answer is crop tool. Put a tick mark on crop tool. Third, this is done by clicking and dragging any of the circles on the picture. When you click and drag circle on the picture, it will resize the picture. So we have to select out of these 3 options: resizing, cropping, stretching. We have to put a tick mark on resizing. Fourth, which of the following groups of the format tab is used to change the color and outline of the shape? A. shape style, B. insert shape, C. arrange. Correct answer is shape style. Shape style of this style is found in format tab, which is used to change the color and outline of the shape. Fifth, which option can be used to insert this symbol in a Word file? A. shapes, B. symbols, C. chart. Correct answer is symbols. Symbols are used to insert symbol in a Word file. So these are the exercises which we have done or which we have revised. Now students, you have to revise the whole chapter, and in our next video we will revise some more chapter. Thank you.